In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom mockup here in Canva. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. It truly helps us more than you can imagine. Thank you. To create a custom mockup, let's go over to our element to pick the image you want to turn into mockup. For me, it's going to be this carton here. I'm going to quickly erase the background and let's go to our apps here and search for frames. We'll go over to trace to frame here. This is the one we'll be using. Let's click on it. Since our image is selected, it's going to ask us to start tracing. So I'm going to start tracing right now. We want to add a mockup on top of this carton here. So we'll start tracing from the point we want the image to appear. I'm going to place my first point here and I'm going to trace to this point, and let's trace to this point and trace to that point. I'm going to undo two of this point and I'm going to take it here. Yes, this is more covered, and let's take it here. Yeah, this works for what you're doing. And once you're happy with that, let's go back into here and you can choose to do corner rounding or you can choose to add borders to your mockup. But I like my mockup to just be as is, and I'm going to add to design. See how the borders of my image are? That's why this mockup has this empty space. So you're going to fit the mockup to fit the size where your image stops. So we're going to take it to the image and we're going to fit it to fill in the top of our image. Like so, we'll finish. Our mockup is set. Now we want to add image into our mockup that we created. Let's go back into elements and I'm going to pick this beautiful kitty here and place it into the design. And I'm just going to drag and put it into the mockup. You see how easy that was? Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. You'll have a good one.